take the old snowcat up, pull a Yukon out. We're gonna haul it up with Spencer's rollback from SB3 Towing. We'll take you along for the ride. Go, dude. See what we can figure out here. Spencer's up there being a monkey. All right. Spencer got me out of bed and said, let's go to Kolob. I didn't get no arguing. I'm playing the snow. We're working our way up in there in the SG3 rollback with the snowcat on the back. Probably at least a foot of snow or more is melted up here, but we got a Cadillac or something down in a hole. We're gonna go gather up with the little snowcat, see how it goes. What do you have to say for yourself?
I don't know what to say.
He don't talk much unless you, well, he talks a lot until you stick a camera in his face.
That's about right.
Well, there's the stuck vehicle right there. He's not too far off the road. We only got to take him about a quarter mile back down to the main drag. That'll be an easy one, I hope. We made it to the mountain. stuck in there pretty good.
I wouldn't call it work, I call it fun.
Well, we just had a pretty dang good time up here on the mountain. That sucker had spent the night, so we had to give her the old hump to get her out. That little snowcat only weighs 3,500 pounds, so we had to hit her pretty good a couple times to get it moving. Once it broke it out of that ice and snow, it come along pretty good. So we're gonna work our way out of here.
Let's get home.
We'll catch you on the next one.